Success in trading is not luck, it's repetition and control. I'm the Fear, and my open Telegram channel has more than 50,000 traders who use the same system I trade within daily. Free signals, financial insights, and full transparency. Join us, link below. Time to trade with purpose. EUR-CAD. The chart shows a steady upward movement. The price keeps setting new local highs. But the last few candles are getting shorter and the upper wicks are growing longer. That indicates that buyers are losing strength and the market is preparing for a correction. The RSI indicator is also in the overbought zone, confirming that the upward impulse is close to execution. I open a put trade for $100 with a duration of 2 minutes, expecting a short pullback down after the market overheats. Want to earn with trading but don't want to spend months studying charts and indicators? Here's a simple way to start right now. I created a VIP channel with a live session where I share my exact entry points in real time. Just copy the trades and profit with me. Message me on Telegram to join and get 240 signals per month. Link in the description. Right after entry, the price showed a slowdown in growth and began to correct. Candles turned red and RSI started moving down, citing the overbought area. The trade closed in profit with a payout of $192 and a net profit of $92. A perfect entry at the end of the impulse, confirmed by weakening buyer momentum. EUR-AUD. The chart shows a stable uptrend after a confident reversal from the local bottom. Candles are growing steadily without logs wicks, a sign of strong buyer control. Before entry, a short consolidation formed near a local resistance level. Several candles moved sideways without breaking down. RSI shows a steady rise, staying below the overbought zone, meaning there is still potential for growth. I opened a call trade for $192 with a duration of 2 minutes, expecting a continuation of the upward trend. Want to trade smarter and stay in full control? Meet ZFX, the AI-driven trading robot that tracks every shift across real markets, crypto, OTC, and stocks, all in one place. It scans 15 top currency pairs, 12 crypto coins, 15 OTC assets, and 15 major company stocks, giving you precise entries with 86% accuracy. No emotions, no guesswork, just data and execution 24/7. Type "I want ZFX" to see how it works, or message me on Telegram. I'll help you set it up. Link in the description. Now back to the trade. After entry, the price broke through the resistance level, and the market continued to move upward. Candles closed higher and higher, confirming buyer strength. RSI also kept rising with no signs of execution. The trade closed in profit with a payout of $386, bringing a net profit of $176. A great example of trading with a trend, minimal risk and a confident continuation of the bullish impulse. AUD-USD. The chart clearly shows a strong downward. The price keeps forming new lows, and after a short correction, a sequence of red candles appears with a clear downward impulse. Each candle closes lower than the previous one, and the RSI is rolling back from the 50 level. I signed a renewed seller pressure after a weak pullback upward, and I opened a PUT trade for $368 with a duration of 2 minutes, expecting the bearish impulse to continue. Want to trade stress-free without guessing? Private trading, ready-made signals, and personal support. Follow me, copy the trades, earn money. That simple. Message me on Telegram, I'll help you connect. Link in the description. As expected, the price continued to move downward, confirming the strength of the trend. Candles remained steadily bearish without signs of reversal, and the RSI kept moving toward the oversold zone. The trade closed in profit with a payout of $706, net profit $338. A textbook example of trading with a trend. No rush, just a clean, confirmed entry based on impulse and RSI signals. Today's session was as precise as it gets. All 3 trades closed in profit. Each one opened strictly by the system and confirmed by both the chart and the RSI. The first trade on EUR/CAD bought $92 profit. A careful entry on correction after the market overheated and buyers started to lose strength. The EUR/AUD delivered a clean trend continuation, a stable upward movement with a confident breakout of resistance, adding $176 profit. And finally, AUD/USD was a perfect example of trading by impulse. The market continued its downtrend with no pullbacks, and RSI confirmed seller dominance. Profit $338. Total profit for the session $607. All entries were logical with full technical confirmation. Key levels, candle structure, and RSI signals working together perfect. If you like the logic behind these trades, that's just a fraction of what I share daily. Join my Telegram channel, where over 50,000 traders get access to my free signals, strategies, and news from the market. The link is below. Let's keep working.